See this guys, by just promoting books, I'm getting this much amount of money at each affiliate commission. Do you want to know guys how much people are actually earning from this website promoting their new products on such a good website? Just watch along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just promoting your products, reviews, book reviews free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just promoting your affiliate links. Okay, by just promoting your affiliate links of books, ebooks that you can promote on this website absolutely free of cost guys. Okay, it's a good website guys where you can write articles on books on any kind of niche. You can see that guys, Amazon affiliate links this website is posting and you are getting paid an affiliate commission. Lots and lots of my audience are saying that, sir, please tell me a good website where we can publish our book reviews. Okay, book reviews, artists, how they are actually earning a good amount of money by just posting their affiliate links on this website and they are getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, so how they are doing this, how actually they are doing this. So one way of doing is you just come up here and before we dive deep into this, I just show you the traffic this website is having. Okay, so just come up here in SimilarWeb and you'll be shocked with this traffic. Okay, I just need to type in, you can see this, this is the website name, tech.com, and you can see this guys, on United States it ranks good. Okay, you can see this traffic guys, approximately 6.5 million people visit every single month. Okay, and there is a great chance that you can promote your products over this website. You can see this guys, 73% traffic are from United States. So it's a good percentage guys where you can promote your products, your affiliate links, your book reviews. Okay, where you can get a good commission from this. Okay, so how to do it, I just show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money. Okay, just come up here in this sign in button. Okay, just click on this sign up with Google account and just sign in here with your Google account. Okay, I just quickly show you how to do it. Okay, so wait for this guys. Okay, you know how to do the login part. Okay, so just click on this next button. Okay, and you are good to go. You can see this guys, it is redirecting and you can see this. Okay, so I'm here in this website. So what I can do guys, I just come up here in my account. Okay, so guys, you are in this website. Now what you can do is just come up here in my account. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so this is your account and you can edit your account as well. Okay, you need to do some updation, like guys, you can describe that I am a writer. Okay, or I am promoting, you can say that I am promoting health books, ebooks, you can say ebooks and health products. Okay, you can select as per your niche. Okay, just click on this update and you are good to go. Okay, so basically what I'm more focused on is your how to post your stories on this platform. Okay, so what you can do guys, you just need to select as per your niche. Okay, so just click on this dig. Okay, and you can select as per your niche guys. You can see there are lots and lots of niches that you can select. Okay, related to technology, long reads, designs, culture, gaming. Okay, science. Okay, so I just select science. Okay, so let us suppose I just want to promote healthy product on this science section. Okay, so what I can do, this is my link. Okay, so what I can do, you just need to click on this submit your link. Okay, just click on this and here you can promote your links. Okay, here you can promote your affiliate links. So what I can do here is to just come up here in this Amazon affiliate program. If you have not watched my video on how to sign in this Amazon affiliate, just go and see it. Okay, so I just need to type health ebooks. Okay, health ebooks. So I just click on this and it will take some time to load, and I can select whatever niche it is having. Okay, I just need to select it, just open a new tab, and you can see this, guys, this is my product. Okay, so in order to get this link, okay, I just need to click on this get link. Okay, and wait for this and just click on this text only and short link. Okay, so this is my link, okay, where you need to copy this, and what you need to do here is to come up here, okay, and just post your link here. Okay, you can see this story title, you can give this speed health weight loss. Okay, where it is, okay, story kicker, it is story kicker, and stay healthy. Okay, this is and the story description is your description about this book. Okay, you can see this, guys, you can give a short description. Okay, you just need to give a short description about this. Okay, and just paste it. You can see this, guys. Okay, this is a short description about this book, and what you need to upload here is your photo. Okay, the picture. So what you can do, just click on the save image, see if it is saving or not. Okay, just click on this save image, and yes, it is saving. So what you can do here, you just okay, it's not selecting here. Yes, this is a link that we can select. Okay, okay, just need to click on this. You can see this, it is uploaded. You can see this. Okay, you can just crop it as well. So I just see, okay, it would be fine. Okay, so just click on this submit button, and you can see this, guys. Thank you for taking the time. Time to submit a link. Our editor will get it ASAP. Okay, so it will do it automatically. Okay, and you are getting paid for this affiliate commission. Now, guys, tell me how much commissions that you can earn from this website. Okay, you just come up here. This is the only Amazon link. Okay, you can come up in this ClickBank. Okay, you can come up on ClickBank, and you can select as per your niche. You can select, you can promote health and fitness products as well on this website, ClickBank. Okay, you can see because, guys, ClickBank is one of the most affiliate, if we can say that, it is high paying commission website where they are actually gave you the most of the income, 75 to 50% income on each product. Okay, so it's a good platform where you can earn a good amount of money, and you can see that $4.2 billion are paid to all over this. You can see this, how to sell, how to promote. You just need to click on this sign up button, and you are good to go. There are hundreds and hundreds of products. You can see that, guys, on as per your niche. Okay, you can just go now, and you can see this, guys. Okay, you are getting paid for each and every product. Okay, so this is one website that you can promote. Okay, I've shown you how to promote your products on this deck.com. Okay, you can see this, guys. Actually, people are coming up here. You can see this, how much people are loving these stories. You can see this, these are also Amazon affiliate links that they are promoting. You can see this. So it's a best way to get more traffic on your site. You can see this, how can we do it. You can see this, how persons are actually doing it. Okay, you can see this, they are just promoting their articles as well. Okay, so what you can do, guys, you can even write your articles. Okay, you can even write your articles on whatever platform, bloggers.com. I have also shown you how to make your articles, and you can promote your links on this website as well, because the traffic is amazing, guys. You can see this 6.5 million people are coming up here to promote their products and their affiliate links. Not only with this science link, you can see technological link, culture, gaming, and namespace. There are hundreds and hundreds of products that you can promote. Okay, So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Just need to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, guys. And guys, if you like these type of videos, just write down on the comment section that which country you are belong to, and just tell me what skill do you have, okay, so that I can make videos as per your niche and try to give you the best content to promote your affiliate links as well as to earn money online. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.